Hi, Tim Delaney, Finance Director up here at Chandler Chevrolet. If you're currently in the market for a newer pre-owned vehicle, come by and see us. Now's a great time to buy. For qualifying customers, we have interest as low as 1.74%. And for those of you that have had some credit issues in the past, we have 25 lenders available at our disposal to help facilitate on those loans as well. So come and see us, 84-month term financing to keep the payments cheap, and we can also do 90 days to first payment to get you out past Christmas. And so come and see us, Madison's Hilltop, 600 Clifty Drive, 812-273-4400.
All right, welcome to WKMNews.com. I'm Stephen DiLorenzo. Today we're staying here with Phil Kane right now at Shawe Memorial High School. We're talking about a STEM project that you guys do every year. Is that correct?
This is the second year for our project. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And we've invited people from the community, some engineers, some people from Hanover College, a wide range of people in the community. What we'll do is some of our kids will come in and do 3 to 5 minute projects, and then there'll be some questions, and it'll all go from the STEM classes that our students are a part of.
Okay. Yeah, we've got a prestigious list of guests behind us here, so that's good. What kind of feedback are they going to give to the students here? Because you guys are working together with these corporations to help your students grow.
Right. They could be anything. You know, if it's an engineering project, they may talk a little bit about what the kids could do differently, or give feedback, or ask the kids questions on how they made things work in that project. Maybe a math situation or a math problem, and then the people will be able to give feedback on that. So it just depends on the project. There's some experiments that go on, and you know, it'll really just depend on the different type of project.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks. Let's talk to some of the students. All right, we're now talking to some of the students here for AP Chemistry. Tell me about this project and what you guys have put together for them today.
So about 2 weeks ago, we did this experiment where we found the percent of copper in brass using spectrophotometry, which we took a brass BB and dissolved it in nitric acid, and then we found the absorbance, and then we used y-intercept form of an equation to find the concentration of it, which in turn helped us find the percent of it.
That's a mouthful, huh? That's good.
Yeah,
okay. That's good. All right. What are you guys hoping to accomplish here with this project, and what kind of feedback are you looking for from the? I'll let you go with that one.
Well, we were looking for the percent of brass in the solution, and we hope for them to learn about what spectrophotometry is and how to calculate it.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to share about this experience so far, or what's going on?
It was definitely an awesome experience, but since we don't have a vent, we couldn't do it inside, so we all were piled around a bucket and watched the experiment, the reaction happen.
Okay, we're here with some AP Calculus students. Tell me about the project you put together today, if you would.
We worked on an optimization problem where we were able to, from a certain size piece of cardboard, create the maximum volume so that we could put as much stuff as possible into our box.
Okay, tell me more about this project and the experience you had through it.
Our experience, we had to apply things that we had learned the previous couple days and put them into an everyday problem that would be presented to an employee or just anybody around the town. So we had to learn our skills and how to use them and come up with a solution to our problem.
Okay, we're here with some biology students now. Tell me about the project you guys have put together for today.
So we had to make an insect collection where we had to get 20 specimens from 7 different orders. So we had from summer to the end of the first quarter, which was in the beginning of October, to finish it.
Okay, what kind of experience are you hoping to learn from this, and what kind of reaction are you expecting from the industry leaders?
We learned a lot of the real-world purpose of this because it helps in forensics, medicine, agriculture, and things like that. It helps advance that, and then also it helped us learn organization and time management skills.
Okay, we're now talking with the team on digital electronics here. Tell me what that means and what you guys have put together today.
We have made a presentation mainly on the design software we've been working on, which is Multisim, which is where we build and prototype circuits on the computer before we go over and breadboard them.
Okay, what kind of experience or reaction, or what are you hoping to learn from the industry leaders today from your project?
We're hoping to learn how this will help us in the future with our engineering jobs. I plan to be an engineer, so I hope that they can give us some input of what this is going to do for us in the future.
Yeah, is there anything else you'd like to share about this experience so far?
This has by far been one of my most favorite classes.
Yeah, it's very fun, interesting, and I think a very helpful class.
Okay, now we're talking with some students studying integrated chemistry and physics. Tell me about that and what the project you're going to be sharing today.
So integrating chemistry and physics, we study how they relate to each other, and today we focus mainly on a physics application, and we are talking about the classes of levers: first class, second class, and third class, and how we use them in our daily lives. As a first class lever would be like a crowbar, a second class would be a wheelbarrow, and then a third class would be a broom. Examples like that, and we're going to tell them about why we use these and how they work in the ways they do.
Okay. What have you hoped to learn from all this project and different things, and what do you expect the industry leaders to say about something like this?
Well, I expect them to tell us that we're doing a good job, and then it's really important, for example, in first and second, third class level, to learn how you can use them, for example, in a manufacturing process, how you can use them and have a better a more efficiency process. So that's what we're hoping them to, tell them that we're doing a good job and to keep doing what we're doing.
Okay, we have some students on microbiology and genetics now. Tell me about what that means and what the project you put together for today is.
Okay, the project that we did today was we harvested DNA by rinsing our mouths with water, and we extracted that and we ran it through a gel electrophoresis kit so that we can, when it comes out in lines, and so we can compare it to other people and see how they're similar or related.
Yeah, tell me about this experience. What do you learn from this?
We've learned that many things can come from this type of experiment, like people's can compare their DNA, see if they're related or not.
Okay, we're now here with an engineering student. Tell me about what you put together for the industry developers in the next room.
So I came up with a project to purify water to give it a turbidity of 0. So cleanse it or purify it. And I put together a water distiller made of cheap kind of household items, and it turned out exactly how I wanted it to turn out.
Great. How is this experience, what have you learned from this experience per se?
I have definitely learned a lot of problem-solving techniques, and I'm like, even though I had my plan, I had everything planned out before I even started gathering materials, but not everything went as planned, so I kind of had to adjust and adapt based on my resources and based on trial and error.
Great. Is there anything else you'd like to share about this program?
I think the engineering courses and the PLTW courses offered here are definitely a major step in the STEM program. They're going to definitely create more majors and more jobs in the future.
All right, thanks for watching this on WKMnews.com. We're here at Shawe Memorial High School for their STEMS Day. And you just heard from a lot of students and from Phil Kane, this president of the Principe School System. Thanks for joining in. Until next time, WKMnews.com. Like us on Facebook.